How to get what you want with 5 scientific secrets. If you truly want something to be happened in your life or have a strong desire about something to be materialized, just think over it, that what kind of a person you would like to become, or something which you want to happen, whatever it might be. First decide what exactly you want to have or achieve. Be clear and specific. I repeat, be clear and specific. So by this way, you would achieve you want to achieve. The secret number 1 is a be specific. Do you know what Albert Einstein had said? He said that imagination is the greatest creative force in the universe. Henry Ford, one of the great achievers, also relied on imagination and belief. Remember that by this way, many of the world's greatest people started from zero and built big empires. What they did was that they had very specific dream and then experienced their success beforehand in their imagination. This means imagination is the key to the door which opens upstairs of success. Your imagination is able to do all you ask in proportion to the degree of your belief. So strength of your belief is that how much of imagination you would be able to sustain. The secret number 2 is imagination. What is belief? Belief is to accept from the core of your heart that something exists or going to happen or is it true, although there is no proof. To believe on yourself is the most powerful ability you have. Your belief will carry you through every difficult situation or challenging circumstances and enable you to ultimately realize your dream. You are going to make your future dreams true in this moment just by believing that what was wished has been fulfilled and you are already in possession of your wish. So live in the feeling of being the one you want to be. Secret number 3 is belief. Repeated self-talk about what you would like to become, and when it is persisted, it becomes your dominant feelings. The attainment of your ideal absolutely inevitable. You must first assume or live in the feelings of which fulfilled and enjoy its fruit in all spheres of your life. Secret number 4 is a self-talk. Our feelings are based on our repeated self-talk and belief. Retrain your subconscious mind by repeating self-talk. I have already in possession of my dream. This will sustain your feelings of wish fulfilled. Secret number 5 is a feeling. Don't allow anybody else's opinions to affect you. And don't follow them. Don't allow what is on the internet. Don't allow anybody tells you is possible or not possible for you. When you confidently move in the direction of your own dreams and effort to live the life which you have imagined, you will get success in unexpected way. Russian playwright Anton Chekhov said, "Man is what he believes." A German writer and statesman Johann Wolfgang von Goethe said, "Man is based by his belief. As he believes, so he is." Remember, only your beliefs rule over your life. Everything you have done are a result of your beliefs. And when your core beliefs get stronger, everything is achievable. It goes ahead, responds whatever you believe. This is the mystery. This is the great secret.